Good evening, friends. I hope you're all doing well. I'm also fine. Today, I'm going to show you how you can install MongoDB 8 on Amazon Linux 2023. So let's get started. So here I am in my EC2 dashboard. I'm going to launch a new instance. I'm going to give the name Mongo and choose Amazon Linux 2023. And then I'm going to choose T3 small. And I'm going to choose an existing key pair. For security groups, I'm going to choose an existing security group. You can create a new one if you want. That's fine. In an advance, here important thing, you need to choose an IAM instance profile. I already created a one previously so that I can connect to that instance via the console. So let's launch the instance. I'm going to refresh the screen. It's running. Just wait one more minute. Okay, while it's running, let's go what we have to do. We first need to update the DNF packages. And then we are going to create a .repo file in the etc yum repos.t. So let's connect to that instance. Yeah, still not ready. Let's refresh. And then click on the connect button. The installing instance is still not ready yet. Sometimes it takes some time. Just wait for a minute. Yeah, I'm connected. So let's take root privilege. Then first update the DNF packages. The command is sudo dnf update -y. And then we're going to create a new Mongo repo file in this directory. So the command is, I'm going to use nano, and then the file name I'm going to give is mongo.repo. And here I'm going to copy the same content that is given here. X, yeah. Now let's try to run these three things here. So this is installing the removing Mongo SH first, and then installing the new Mongo SH with OpenSSL. So it's running the installation. I hope most of the things are done. I'm just going to copy the last part. Maybe it's, let's see if it's run properly or not. Okay. Let's see if I can run it. This is the command actually that will install the MongoDB, right? MongoDB 8.0. Okay, the MongoDB installation done. Let's clear the screen. And then I'm going to start the MongoDB. And then I'm going to enable the MongoDB. And then I'm going to check the status, whether it is running or not. It seems it's running active, right? So that's good. Now let's That's the installation part. So this is done. Now what we can do is like we can edit the MongoDB file, and here we can actually bind IP to 0000. That means we are this is now only allowed for local connection. That means if your web server is running on this machine using localhost, then it should be able to connect. But we wanted to make sure that this is connectable from anywhere. So I'm just going to put 0.0.0.0, and that's it. We updated it. Now we can actually so do systemctl. We can actually restart it. So systemctl. Copy. That's it. So we enabled global connection. So from anywhere we can connect. Now, this is not really good approach. What you can do is like we can go to security groups and then only allow your IPs to be connected, right? So let's click on this part and we delete these things. And we only wanted to connect this port. And my IP. I think that is the best approach, that you only allow your IP, right? Now, if we go to the instance and grab the IP, you should be able to connect from your local host to the server, right? Let's see if we have MongoDB Compass. I'm going to create a new connection. And this is the actual connection string. I'm going to grab the IP address. Let's see if I can replace this part with the IP. Connect. Yeah, here it is. It's now connected, right? So we can see admin, config, local, all those things. Now this is a basic installation, and I showed you how you can connect from your local machine to the server. And now you can create databases, create collections, and then do a lot of operations as you want. So far, that's the main part of this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.